Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study example number 3 from practice set 5.1. Let's see example. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. Here 2 points are given, A and B. Point on x-axis is equidistant from A and B. Now we know that if any point is lying on x-axis, then its y-coordinate will be 0, and if point is lying on y-axis, then its x-coordinate will be 0. Now here point is on x-axis, therefore y-coordinate of that point will be 0. Now that point I take P. Let P in bracket. Now point is on x-axis, no? Therefore point I take A0. Point is on x-axis, that's why its y-coordinate will be 0, and x-coordinate I take A. Let P A0 lies on x-axis. Okay, lies on x-axis, and this point is equidistant from A and B, and point P is equidistant from A and B, is equidistant from A and B. It means PA is equal to PB. Therefore we can write PA is equal to PB, means these distances are equal. PA is equal to PB. I write here number 1. Now PA means distance PA we have to find, and PB means distance PB. Find out both the distances, and by this condition we will continue the solution. Now let's find PA first. Now P and A is here. Let P is equal to x1 y1 I consider, and coordinates of point P are A0, A is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are -3 4. Now by distance formula, therefore distance PA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here support distance formula. Now let's put value here and find PA. I continue here. Square root of x2 minus 3 minus a bracket square plus y2 4 minus 0 bracket square is equal to square root of, now here minus 3 minus a bracket square is here, plus 4 minus 0 bracket square, minus 3 minus a bracket square I keep as it is, plus 4 minus 0 4 square 16. Okay, give here number 2. This is distance PA. Now let's find PB. Now let P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to coordinates are A0. Now we want B is equal to x2 y2 now. Coordinates of B are -4. Let's find PB. Distance PB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is also distance formula. Put values. 1 minus a bracket square plus minus 4 minus 0 bracket square is equal to square root of 1 minus a bracket square as it is minus 4 minus 0 minus 4 minus 4 square 16. Number 3. This is distance PB. Okay. Therefore, now we know that from 1 PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. This is from 1. And now put here values PA, PB. PA is here, PB is here. PA from 2, square root of minus 3 minus a bracket square plus 16 is equal to PB. I write here PB is 1 minus a bracket square plus 16. Now here on both sides there is square root sign, square root here, square root here. If we want to remove square root sign from both sides, we have to square of them, squaring of them. Therefore, if we take square, then automatically square root sign will be removed. Now here, without square root sign, minus 3 minus a bracket square plus 16 is equal to, on the right side also, 1 minus a bracket square plus 16, and here reason you write or support squaring. We have done squaring of them, therefore square root sign is removed. Now 16 is here, 16 is here on both sides, therefore 16 we can cancel. Minus 3 minus a bracket square is equal to 1 minus a bracket square. Now here expansion, minus 3 minus a bracket square, first term minus 3, second term a, first term square, minus 3 bracket square, first term square, minus 2 multiplied by ab is minus 3 into a plus second term square a square is equal to, here also first term square 1 square, sign minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by a ab plus second term square a square, minus 3 square 9, minus minus plus 2 3s are 6a plus a square is equal to 1 square 1 minus 2 1s are 2a plus a square. Again on both sides a square cancel. Okay. Now here 9 plus 6a is on left side, 1 minus 2a is on right side. Now transfer order, 6a plus 2a here is equal to 1 minus 9. Addition, 8a is equal to minus 8. a is equal to minus 8 upon 8. a is equal to minus 1. Now a we got. Therefore, P point we considered, that is x a0 we considered there a0, and a point we got minus 1, and y axis is, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, minus 1 0 are coordinates of point P, that is equidistant from A and B. Now let's see example number 4. Example is, verify that points P, Q, R are vertices of right angle triangle. It is not said that triangle is a right angle triangle. We have to show that these are vertices of right angle triangle. And if that is a right angle triangle, we know that longest side square is equal to sum of squares of other two. Means here sum of squares of any two sides should come equal to the square of the third. For that we have to find all three distances, squares of their distances. First let's find distances, then we will square it. Let's take one by one. Let P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 2. Q is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 2 2. Find distance PQ. PQ is equal to square root of, formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, distance formula. Now put values and find PQ. x2 2 minus x1 is minus 2 bracket square plus y2 2 minus 2 0 bracket square here is equal to, solve this, 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4 bracket square plus 2 minus 2 0 bracket square 16 4 4s are plus 0 square 0 is, now let's add it, square root of 16 plus 0 16 and square root of 16 is 4, give here number 1, distance PQ is equal to 4. We got PQ is equal to 4. Now let's find QR. Let Q is equal to x1 y1, coordinates are 2 2, R is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are 2 7. Therefore QR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, distance formula, square root of 2 minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 2 minus 2 0 plus 7 minus 2 5 is equal to square root of 0 plus 25, addition is 25 and it is perfect square root of this is 5, give here number 2. Distance QR we got 5. Let's find the third distance PR. Now let P is equal to x1 y1 minus 2 2, R is equal to x2 y2 2 7. Therefore PR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, distance formula, square root of 2 minus x1 is minus 2 bracket square plus y2 7 minus 2 bracket square, 2 plus 2 4 4 square plus 7 minus 2 5 square, square root of 16 plus 25, addition is 30 41. Now here PR we got square root of 41, give here number 3, it is not perfect square. Now we got three distances PQ 4, QR 5 and PR root 41. Okay, we have to show that these are vertices of right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle we know that longest distance square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two. Now here longest is, now here you see 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, means this is the longest. Therefore square of this should come sum of square of these two. Therefore let's find, is it verified or not? PQ square plus QR square is equal to PQ 4 square plus QR 5 is equal to 16 plus 25, addition is 41, addition is 41 and PR square is equal to, PR is root 41 bracket square means 41 itself is equal to this. Now here you see both right sides are equal, 41 and therefore left sides are equal. We can write here therefore PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square, and therefore we can say here these are vertices of right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore points P, Q, R are the vertices of a right angle triangle.